Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again after a very long time with another topic for all of you. This is going to be the messages that you need to hear for the upcoming Lionsgate portal. The portal that is coming on the 8th of August that has everybody talking for all the right reasons. We're going to be checking what are the major shifts for you. So, to give you a small gist of what is happening on the 8th of August, well, we have the Lionsgate portal. This portal is one of the most poignant times for people who want to manifest things in life, who want to grow spiritually, who want to raise their psychic abilities, who want to just be able to expand their life. This is one such time where you can genuinely close your eyes and have blind faith in the universe, and you will get tangible results, right? Solely because you have the spiritual sun, which is Sirius, and the physical sun, both rising from the eastern horizon and forming a unilateral plane with the Orion's belt. And that is why this time period is such a lucky time period. You will notice a lot of things happening around you. Sudden changes will happen, sudden transformations you'll see around you. New beginnings will start. You'll see shifts happening constantly. Some difficult, some really, really great. And a lot of boost in your manifestations. You'll see a lot of acceleration happening around you. So that's why this is such an important time. And here I am creating a video for you to just see what is happening during this time for the both of for all of you, and what is expected during this time. So yeah, definitely like, save, share this video. If you want to comment what you want to watch next, let me know if this resonated, if it made sense. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. And if you want to book a session with me, you can always do so. All the information is in the description box below. And subscribe to my channel. So many of you haven't, so please do that. Do that energy exchange for me and hype this video as many times as you can. And let's go. We have two piles in front of us. One is a rose quartz and one is an angelite. Both of them are very beautiful crystals. So pile 1 is rose quartz, pile 2 is angelite. Choose one, whichever feels called to you. Pink crystal or blue crystal. I've purposely chosen blue and pink. Pile 1 is pink, pile 2 is blue. So choose carefully, intuitively, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Pause this video if you want to. Hopefully you've made a decision. Let's get into it. All right, people who have chosen pile number 1, which is the rose quartz, this is going to be your tarot reading, where we're going to see what is coming to you in the Lionsgate portal during this time period. We're going to see what's the next big change or whatever is happening during this time. Anything exciting, anything refreshing, we're going to check. So let's see what is happening. Let's check with this. What can you expect during this time period? What is it that you want to know? And just, information, okay? During this time period, I see you being very, very careful about who and what you tell people. I think that you'll be extra cautious about your information. You'll be extra cautious of what kind of a representation you are having of yourself. Aapka jo reputation hai, you're going to care a lot about it. Not because to please anybody or to be a cookie cutter, but to just be able to ensure that nobody is able to take bad and wrong advantage of you. Nobody is able to get into your weaknesses, and you're going to be very cautious about that. Like, you are going to be observant. I see you people, pile number 1 people, looking at things that initially you would ignore. You would be more observant of people or friends around you who you would usually just not take very seriously. Those people who are harmless, those situations that are quote unquote harmless, कि ये तो harmless है, कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. You are being observant about it because you're like, अगर harmless है, then why am I getting a weird feeling about it? So whenever there is an energy that you are thinking कि हाँ ये चलो harmless है, वो harmless नहीं है. There is something that कुछ पनप रही है चीज़ें, कुछ पक रही हैं उसके नीचे. So you are going to be vigilant. Vigilante energy is coming in, where you're very, very vigilant. You're very aware. You're very particular about how things are happening around you, what kind of representation it is happening about you, what are people having an opinion of you, what kind of a approach you are having in life that is making people think XYZ. Again, it's not a people pleasing thing. Don't get me wrong. It's not a people pleasing thing. It's just that you don't want the other person to get to think that they have that kind of a कि वो आपके ऊपर हावी हो सकते हैं. You don't want the other person to think कि they can get under your skin. So you're going to be very, like, you're always going to play a little bit of a mind game कि I'm always 2 steps ahead of you. I'm always 2 steps ahead of you. This could very well be possible in your relationship and love life also. If you're thinking that somebody is playing you, you're like, bro, I'm 2 steps ahead of you. Don't think that you're playing me. In fact, I'm playing you. तो कहीं ना कहीं अगर आपको लग रहा है कि somebody is manipulating you, actually, in hindsight, you are manipulating them, or you are trying to you're trying to play games now. You are trying to be smart. You are trying to now be a person who's like, I'm not going to be the heartbroken all the time. I'm not going to be the one who's going to take BS all the time. Now it's time for me to show my reality. Now it's time, and not in a negative way, not in a way, but it's just that now is the time for you to kind of realize what your inner power is. And again, it is coming from a lot of taking things, right? In the entire first half, I do believe that there has been lot of hurt that you have experienced, lot of injuries, lot of hurt. Like genuinely I think that आप बहुत गिरे पड़े हो इस time period में. Like you have experienced lot of hurt, चोट लगी है, you've gotten injured, you've gotten, some of you might have gotten your fractures also. You might have gotten a lot of, like basically you've been wounded during this time period, whether it is physically or emotionally or mentally. And in this 8-8 portal, you're like, you know what, घायल हूँ इसलिए घातक हूँ, right? That धुरंधर dialogue, घायल हूँ इसलिए घातक हूँ, वैसी वाली एनर्जी है कि listen, I am wounded, but I'm still me. So during this time period, some of you are like 8-8 portal में, in this time period, some of you are taking very drastic steps, like in this time period, very drastic steps to avoid people. Like you're genuinely going under a shell. You're genuinely removing yourself or taking yourself out from things that just do not give you a sense of security or give you a sense of stability. You just you're taking away. You're literally going in a shell, which is a good shell. It's a good thing. I feel like you are realizing that things that are not needed to be defended for, you don't want to interact. Things that don't require your presence, you don't need it. For example, if you have not been invited to a place, don't go. Simple as that. Don't push yourself, right? If somebody's saying ki, oh yeah, you can come at the last moment if there is a plan, and somebody's saying ki, yeah, come in the last moment, just don't go. So there is an energy of a self-respect. Like I can see self-respect getting more ahead, and people might think that it is ego, but you are saying ki bhai, meri self-respect. There's a difference between self-respect and ego, and you're having a very, very strong self-respect here. A lot of you are also practicing Buddhism during this time period. Some of you are getting very close to Buddhism. Concepts of Buddhism are something that really, really inspire you. You will get into it. You'll get involved with it. Some of you can also visit Buddhist cities or places, and you can visit temples and all of those Buddhist monasteries, which can really make you feel very complete. Some of you can generally start chanting also, the Buddhist chants that are there. You can start doing those chants and you can start meditating also. And it can really make you feel very powerful. Like it'll genuinely create a drastic change. If you do it for maybe 9 days or 10 days, you will see a change within it. So that is an advice also. Like if you want to be able to see a genuine shift in your energies, try to chant the I know what the chants are. I don't want to butcher it. So just go and do a Google search and you'll know the chants that I'm talking about of Buddhism. Very beautiful chants. And you can always do it in your own time. And you will see a stark difference, right? Some of you are also being very particular about what food you're taking in. I think nutrition and health and well-being is kept on a forefront. Some of you are being very fit. Some of you are actively trying to get into a routine. Some of you are genuinely trying to be very strict with your food intake. No unnecessary junk or no unnecessary things in life, basically. Whether it is food, whether it is people, whether it is mindsets, whether it is reputation, whatever is unnecessary is not meant for me. That is the kind of vibe I'm getting. Okay, so pile number 1, you are right at the bat. 8-8 portal is like you're just diving in. There is no inhibition. There's no thinking. ज़्यादा सोच विचार नहीं हो रहा है. You're just pushing ahead, which is actually a very good thing for you. All right. What else is happening? Let's see. Some of you are what? Okay. Yes. Some of you are going to get a big reality check when you take other people's burdens. If you are taking other people's burdens, okay, say suppose you are taking other people's burdens, you will get a very big reality check. And this 8-8 portal now, when I say transformation now, sometimes you have to understand transformation also means difficulties. I hope you know that, right? So in this time period, I do believe that some of you can again get a reality check when you try to defend somebody who doesn't need defending, when you try to speak up for somebody who doesn't need speaking up, when you try to empower somebody who is not disempowered. That आप चोट खा लोगे, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि यार मेरे को क्यों मना करते हैं लोग इसका साइड नहीं लेने के लिए, इसके साथ नहीं बोलने के लिए. Because you need to understand that the more you put your nose into other people's businesses, the more you will get caught up with people. So point is that आप जितना अपने में रहोगे उतना बेटर है. The moment you are involving yourself in other people's energies, the moment आप दूसरों के लाइफ में टांग अड़ाते हो, अपनी unsolicited opinions देते हो, या you just try to help people, and nobody needs your help. Nobody needs your help. Let people help themselves. What you need to do is to be able to walk your path. That is it. 88 portal is not you saving other people. You're not a superhero. So you just don't need to kind of take that responsibility of anything. मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं आप खुद की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ढंग से नहीं ले पा रहे हो, इसलिए दूसरों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ले रहे हो, क्योंकि you don't want to take your responsibility, and that's why you think that, okay, maybe me taking other people's responsibility is going to make me feel like I'm being productive. But no, you're not being productive. You're just actually creating much more chaos for yourself. So I definitely feel like in this portal, na 88 portal, the moment you're taking even one person's responsibility, the moment you try to justify even one person's actions, you are gonna get a little bit of a you're gonna see things happening around you. You're gonna get an answer back, or you're gonna see a immediate regret coming onto your face. Okay. There can be also 88 portal can be very overwhelming for you. Like this time period will be very overwhelming for you, especially when it comes to something that you are passionate about. कोई भी चीज़ के बारे में आप अगर passionate हो ना, आपको काफ़ी overwhelming feel हो सकता है. I feel like there will be a lot of energy that can overwhelm you. Like there will be so much energy within you that you'll just be like frantic. ये क्या करूँ, ये क्या करूँ, ये क्या करूँ, ये क्या करूँ. I do believe that some of you are getting extremely busy also, by the way. 88 portal, like I will say not even only 88 portal. मैं बोलूँगी पूरा महीना ही. ठीक है. This entire month, would say from August to like the entire August only, we're being very busy. Okay, too much busyness happening. इधर situation. कहाँ मैं रुकूं, कहाँ मैं सांस लूं, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Every single day is a battle. Every single day is another adventure. Every single day is you trying to figure out what is the right step. How do I move forward? What is the movement forward? कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है कि you can feel scared during this time period because there is so much of things that are happening around you. You can feel scared. What if in all of this nothing happens? ये आपको थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि इतने क्योस में आप एक चीज़ कर रहे हो और कोई भी चीज़ कंप्लीट नहीं हो रही है. यू आर लीविंग थिंग्स हाफ हार्टेड. देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट यू कैन इवन रन अवे फ्रॉम सर्टन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट लाइक ये भी करना है और मेरे को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज नहीं चाहिए. सो इट्स लाइक you are trying to take other people's responsibilities while avoiding your responsibilities because you are overwhelmed with your own responsibilities, and that's why, like an escapism, you are trying to fix other people's problems because inherently you are a problem solver, but apni problem solve nahi karni hai. That is what is happening. Okay, so be very careful during this time period, guys. 88 portal is not going to be easy on you guys. It is going to be very like वो एक भोकाल जैसे आएगा, and जब वो आएगा ना तो हर चीज को लपेट लेगा. Okay, here I do see that, you know, I do believe that there is going to be a lot of ideation that is going to come in. But that ideation, I am scared and I'm worried. ऐसा ना हो वैसे. I'm worried that ideation can be so highly potent and so raw that you will not know what to do about it. कि आइडिया इतनी स्ट्रांग हो सकती है आपकी कि भाई एकदम ही यूनिक आइडिया मिल गया आपको. मे बी इट इज़ अ idea of starting a business, or it is an idea that okay, you want to start your own page on tarot, or it is a idea that you want to start your own crystal business. कुछ भी business हो सकता है, या कोई भी idea हो सकता है, या content creation हो सकता है. But you will be so burdened when you look at the competition around you. You'll just look at people around you and be like, भाई मैं कैसे करूंगी, you know, because you're seeing that okay, it's not just the first time somebody is doing this. It's not like only you are doing it. So many people are doing it, and you realize that, you know, entering this arena is not going to be for the faint-hearted, and that is what you are also kind of, you know, toppling over. आप काफी topple कर सकते हो, right? In this time period, also be very careful of not hurting yourself, not injuring yourself, because यहाँ पे भी आप injure कर सकते हो. Your feet can be very paining during this time period. You can feel pain in your feet. छाले आ सकते हैं feet पे. Ankle problems, cracked feet. All of these things can be there. A lot of itching in your feet, leg area. Be very careful. Some of you have to check your diabetes as well. Okay, sugar check करना है आपको अपना. Okay, some of you also have to check your heart rate. Okay, and get ECG done. Okay, so that is what is happening for you guys on the first glance. Okay, now let's see what else can you expect during this time period. On the first glance, this is what is happening. Okay. You will find like a profound connection with your mother during this time period. एक ऐसी connection आपको feel होगी with your mother that you have never experienced before. The reason why you're feeling this connection is because you will notice the person who is your mother, no matter how much, what kind of relationship you have with her, whatever. You will understand that she has also been you at one point of time. That is what you're going to feel. She's also been the same, you know, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25-year-old at one point of time. And आपको, you know, बुरा नहीं लगेगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आपको बुरा लगेगा. आपको like your heart will reach out to her. Like you'll आपको ऐसे फील होगा like कीव बोलते हैं ना, कीव होगी आपको उनके प्रति, कि अगर वो कुछ अलग अलग चीज़ें बोल रही हैं, कुछ अजीब व गरीब चीज़ें बोल रही हैं, या इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट शी इज़ नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग सर्टन थिंग्स, you will not get angry. You will just be like, yeah, I understand what you're talking about. This is the first time that you're also living this life, you know. So I can definitely see that your mother's involvement during this time period. 88 portal, मैं timeline देख लेती हूँ actually. What is the timeline for this? 88 portal, what is the timeline? Let's see the timeline. More or less this month, okay? I would say 1.5 months actually. So basically during this time period, you will feel like your mother is just you but older. That is what you'll feel, okay? That's the first thing. I also believe that some of you can gift your mother a diamond gift kar sakte ho. You can gift something very precious to your mother specifically. If her birthday is coming in, you're gifting her something very precious, very beautiful. It's not supposed to be expensive, something precious. Even quality time can be the most precious thing in the world. So you're definitely doing that, okay? You will start seeing your mother aging. You will start seeing wrinkles on her face, and that is why when your heart will reach out to her, you will start seeing her aging. You will see, crow's feet, and आपको दिखेगा कि ये बदल रही है मेरे सामने. That is what you're gonna feel. You'll see number 333 a lot. 333 बहुत ज़्यादा दिखेगा आपको, बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay, so be very aware if you're seeing number 3. Okay. You will feel like with your mother especially, you can speak whatever you want. In fact, you can बी ओपन विथ योर मदर. आई थिंक कुछ भी जो आपके लाइफ में चल रहा है, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि कुछ डिफिकल्टीज हो सकती हैं जो आप एक्सपीरियंस करोगे, यू कैन रियली गो आउट ऑफ योर वे. You can really go out of your way and talk to your mother and really have a heart-to-heart communication, and it will be one of the best conversations that you ever had, right? You can definitely rest assured कि आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो अपने पेरेंट्स को, कुछ पेरेंट्स नहीं मदर को, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो एंड वो समझेंगे, राइट? वो अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे. से सपोज यू आर वांटिंग टू कन्विंस हर फॉर सर्टन थिंग्स, सपोज शादी के लिए कन्विंस करना है, कुछ भी XYZ चीज़ों के लिए कन्विंस करना है, दिस टाइम पीरियड इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी गुड. योर मदर विल बी इन अ गुड मूड. ओके, सो मदर्स एनर्जी इज वेरी वेरी ब्राइट ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम पीरियड. Okay, 1.5 months. Let's see more. What else can you expect during this time period? In this time period, especially in love life, you guys, you will not be entertaining things that don't deserve your time. You're not going to be entertaining people who don't deserve your worth. I think during this time period ना एक चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा clear है कि जो आपके worth का नहीं है ना, वो आपके time का नहीं है. जो आपको लगता है कि this is something that doesn't deserve my, like this thing doesn't deserve my value, it doesn't need to be in my life. And that mindset is mostly I'm seeing in love also. कहीं ना कहीं you will be very happy with your presence. You'll be very happy and content with the way you are. You will not feel the need to emotionally be romantic with anybody. I also feel like there will be a lot of love that you will have for yourself during this time period. Insecurities are getting reduced. I feel like even if you see certain flaws in the way you are, although you're flawless, but still if you see certain flaws within you, agar aap dekh rahe ho ki okay, this is happening or my body is looking like this, you will not be so critical of yourself. You'll still see the love that you have for your eyes, for yourself, right? I think आप अपने आप को देखोगे, अपने चेहरे को मिरर में देखोगे, and you'll still think that you're still beautiful or you're still handsome. So there is a sense of worth that is getting better for you. आप अपने आंखों के सामने worthiness दिखा रहे हो. You feel like you deserve good things. You feel like you deserve love. You feel like you deserve everything, and you will feel very confident about who you are. And it's not because you are changing certain things about yourself. It's just that there's a very big, very honest acceptance about yourself. And that acceptance is also coming through some kind of owning of truth. आप कुछ truth own कर रहे हो, आप कुछ चीज़ accept कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में, आप कुछ एक बहुत ही big acceptance आ रही है आपके लाइफ में, जिसकी वजह से you will just not be afraid to look at yourself. I think you will be very happy looking at yourself, getting sound sleep at night, knowing that आपने अपनी तरफ से कुछ गलत कभी किसी के लिए नहीं करा है, right? I see some of you buying jewelry also during this time period. Some of you are also coloring your hair red during this time period. Some of you are buying jewelry, that means long pendants and rings. You're buying rings a lot. You will find yourself sitting like randomly feeling the need to go to a lake, to a nearby lake. आपको बहुत मन करेगा nearby lake जाने के लिए. or a meadow kind of a thing. You will see a lotus also. If during this time period, if you see a lotus, it's a big sign that you are seeing a lotus. You will see number 8 also a lot. You'll see number 35 also a lot. Okay. Let's talk more about this worthiness energy here. Worthiness about what? Worthiness about what? Worthiness about what? Ooh. Worthiness about who gets to, who is coming close to you, and who is knowing your deepest, darkest secrets. I think that is what you are drawing your boundary with. I think who is worth my information of life, who is worth the knowledge of who I am as a person. ये चीज का worthiness निकल रही है. I think in 88 portal during this time period, ना Lionsgate portal, I think you will not let people परखोफाई यू. आपको परखने की कोशिश लोग करेंगे, लेकिन आप करने नहीं दोगे. आप लोगों को बड़े मिस्टिकल दिखोगे. लाइक पीपल विल बी लाइक, यार यू आर वेरी मिस्टिकल, सडनली यू आर बिकमिंग वेरी मिस्टीरियस, सडनली यू आर डूइंग योर ओन थिंग, सडनली यू आर नॉट इंटरेक्टिंग विद एनीबडी. बड़े मिस्टीरियस से हो गए हो, अपने अपने शेल में जा रहे हो, यू नो, यू आर नॉट टॉकिंग. दैट इज बिकॉज यू आर नॉट लेटिंग पीपल एंटर अ टेरिटरी वेयर पीपल कैन बी लाइक, आई नो हर वेरी वेल. नो, यू, नो बडी नोज मी वेरी वेल. नो बडी नोज मी फुल्ली. आई एम स्टिल अ book to be read. I'm still a path to be treaded, you know. So that energy of who deserves to know me fully, nobody deserves. And that is what is the unworthiness being talked about, or worthiness that is being talked about. कि कौन ऐसा person है, मतलब आप ना ऐसे जोन में हो कि अगर किसी को मेरे को डेट भी करना है ना, for you guys, even if you're in a relationship, anybody who wants my attention needs to do a lot of तपस्या, genuinely. मतलब आपको अपनी तपस्या का मतलब क्या है? तपस्या का मतलब है कि खुद के ऊपर बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा भाई मुझे पाने के लिए. दैट्स द एनर्जी दैट यू गाइज आर इन. कि इफ यू वांट मी ना इन लव लाइफ, व्हाटएवर, इन एज अ फ्रेंड आल्सो, इफ यू वांट मी टू बी इन योर लाइफ, you have to be very deserving for it. Otherwise, it's an insult for me that somebody like you is expecting me in life. I'm sorry, I might be sounding mean, but this is what I'm saying, right? कि आप ना ऐसे पर्सन हो कि अगर तुम्हें चाहिए कि मैं तुम्हारी लाइफ में हूं, तो तुम उसकी वर्थ दिखाओ. You should be worthy of me. You should show me why you need me. मैं फोकट में तो ना आ जाऊंगी तुम्हारी लाइफ में, या आ जाऊंगा, दोनों हो सकता है, नॉट जेंडर रिलेटेड. सो you are not giving your worth into people's hands who don't know how to take care of it. Basically that's the point. कि आप अपनी जो worth है ना, अपनी जो इज्जत हो या जो भी है, worth क्या होता है हिंदी में पता नहीं, बट आपका जो worth है ना, आपकी जो, what is worth? I don't know. So whatever you are worth of, you're not putting that worth in a beggar's hands. You're actually genuinely feeling like I should be going to a place which genuinely deserves me, who knows how to handle me, who knows how to take care of me. तो that is what the point is कि आपको कोई ऐसा person चाहिए जो भाई घोर तपस्या करे आपको मिलने के लिए, आपको पाने के लिए. Even for that matter, if it is a friendship, that it still will hold true, right? So that is what is happening. Let's see more. Some of you are losing your keys as well in this time period. Be careful. There is an outcome to one of your problems during this time period. एक प्रॉब्लम आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम, लेट्स सी कौन सी प्रॉब्लम है वो. एक प्रॉब्लम है जो आपको बहुत टाइम से खाए जा रही है. दैट प्रॉब्लम विल गेट रिजॉल्व्ड. ओके, लेट्स सी what kind of problem is that. So one specific problem. Okay, problem of legal issues, if there are any legal problems, property problems, any kind of a lawsuit, any kind of a property dispute, alimony issues, divorce issues, any people who are getting issues with examinations, any person who is getting issues with feeling unfair in life, वो आपको outcome मिल रहा है. क्योंकि 88 portal is a justice orientation that is taking place in your life. 88 portal is a portal of justice basically. So आपके जो portal में you know what is actually genuinely happening is that there is an energy of righteousness that is coming in, and that has been a big problem in your life कि आपने अपने तरफ से हर चीज करेक्ट करी है, लेकिन तब भी आपको अच्छी चीज नहीं मिली है. That means that this has been a constant problem where you have given your honest effect, but the output of it has not been that great. And that is why this energy is telling me that whatever things have been stuck, that didn't work out for you, that were rendered unfair, will be rendering fair for you, right? कुछ ऐसी चीजें हो सकती हैं जहाँ पे आपको लगेगा कि you know there is lot of thinking that is happening and इसका कोई solution नहीं निकल रहा है. सोचे जा रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा बातें हो रही हैं, इधर उधर हो रही हैं चीज़ें, लेकिन इसका कोई resolution नहीं निकल रहा है. 88 पोर्टल आएगा, उसका ऑटोमेटिकली रेजोल्यूशन निकल जाएगा. बहुत टाइम से अगर आपको फील हो रहा है दैट देयर हैज बीन अ स्टकनेस और यू आर नॉट गेटिंग आंसर्स फॉर सर्टन थिंग्स, स्पेशली इन योर करियर, इफ यू आर फीलिंग वेरी लेथार्जिक, इफ यू फील लाइक देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ डिसिप्लिन, इफ यू फील लाइक देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ सिनर्जी, you will be able to randomly wake up one day and feel like your hormones have changed or whatever, and you'll feel excited to work again, right? It's just the placements that are doing its job. Okay, some of you are going to not be afraid of speaking your mind. I think that is very important. काफी जगह पे आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स इसलिए आई हैं क्योंकि आप सही टाइम पे बोल नहीं सके या सही टाइम पे वो एक्शन नहीं ले सके. एंड इट कुड बी द वेरी सिंपल थिंग्स. इट कुड बी टेलिंग समबडी हाउ यू रियली फील अबाउट देम, और इन जनरल जो भी हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ें अपने लाइफ में देखते हैं उसको ना बोल पाने का रिग्रेट आपको नहीं रहेगा, बिकॉज यू विल बी एबल टू से वट एवर यू वांट, नो मैटर हाउ स्टूपिड एंड फुलिश इट साउंड्स, विच इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड थिंग, बिकॉज यू आर एबल टू ओपन योर सेल्फ अप टू थिंग्स, बिकॉज यू आर एबल टू सी like the mere fact that you feel like you are an equal individual in this world who deserves equal opportunities, who deserves equal chances, and who deserves to make equal mistakes like other people. आप equal हो भाई. Just because आप अपनी life जी रहे हो जिस तरह से जी रहे हो XYZ, that doesn't mean that you deserve less or more pain. You deserve pain how much ever else is getting. If everybody else is getting good blessings, good energies, and so will you. So will you also. Okay, so that is what is happening. Let's see more. Let's see what else can you expect. Definitely in this time period now, I want you guys to journal out. I think journaling is very important, especially journaling about, not journaling, tracking your finances. Tracking of your finances is very important. During this time period, I want you guys to make a list of places where you're getting money from and where you are spending your money. This is going to actually help you gain more abundance. The more you plan your finances, the more you're able to see where the income is coming from or where the expenditures are, what area, what department the expenditure is happening in. You will be able to see that your money is in expanding more and more. तो यहाँ पे ना एक चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि से सपोज अगर आपके खर्चे हो रहे हैं रेंट में, लिविंग एक्सपेंस, स्टडीज, whatever, travel, enjoyment, please make a note of it so that you are able to see exactly where you want to save, where you want to be able to curb your financial लीकेजेस, एंड कहाँ पे आप अपना अच्छे फाइनेंसेस का यूटिलाइज कर सकते हो. तो इससे क्या होगा ना, यू विल सी अबंडेंस गेटिंग इंक्रीजिंग, यू विल सी मनी गेटिंग इंक्रीजिंग. दैट दिस ऑल्सो गोज टू शो दैट यू हैव टू बी एबल टू प्लान योर फाइनेंसेस इन अ वे वेयर यू आर नॉट एवर इन अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे आपको हैंड टू माउथ हो जाए या इमरजेंसी हो जाए. ऑलवेज बी सिस्टमैटिक. That also means that during the 8-8 portal, there will be an opportunity for you to be able to manage and mitigate your money very well. There will be a moment in which आपके पास resources होंगे, आपके पास बहुत ही अच्छा advice आ सकता है, आपके पास बहुत अच्छे opinions आ सकते हैं with regards to how to manage your finances, which is going to be very, very, very important for you. I do believe that some of you will find yourself meeting somebody, if say suppose you're single, during this period of time, you're meeting somebody who's polar opposite of you. If you are fire, this person is sky. If you are ice, this person is fire. If you are Venus, this person is Mars. So you are meeting somebody who is a polar opposite of you, and you will feel like a merging of philosophies coming together. I feel like there is an energy where if you're single, say suppose, you will not be very interested and keen in dating. As I already told you before, there is not going to be a lot of interest in the idea or a department of relationship, but you'll end up meeting somebody who's going to shake your grounds a lot, who's going to change the way you think, who's going to change the way you approach certain things. If this person is day, you are night. If this person is sun, you are the moon. So there will be a radical kind of a involvement of a person's life, of a person in your life, and that radical change is going to be very, very significant. Like this is something that you should be preparing yourself for. कि ये जो energy मेरे life में आ रही है, ये इतनी shake कर देगी grounds मेरे that it can almost be a little triggering. A person can come into your life who can open you to things that you have not even seen about. Maybe it could be philosophies, maybe it could be a thinking process, maybe it could be a mindset, and you will feel very you will feel very open. Like आपको लगे कि यार this person is able to open me in very different ways. This person is able to show me things in a very different way. And that can feel very daunting. It can feel very overwhelming. It can feel very scary, especially because you're not very ready or you're not interested in the idea of dating right now. So that openness will be very radical, will be very heavy for you to deal with, but ensure that you're opening up yourself for it. So I definitely feel like a merging of two different yin and yang. Like that is what I'm seeing. Like if one person is black, one person is white, and they're coming together and creating this kind of an amalgamation that is pretty long lasting. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि without going too much into detail about love, I don't necessarily see like so much of conventional love and romantic and being together kind of an energy, as much as I see two individuals who are very like highly vibrational coming together. And when two like nucleus can merge each other, जैसे दो black holes होते हैं जब merge होते हैं एक साथ, तो it kind of spills around. तो वो spilling around काफ़ी हो रहा है. Like it's like two heavy duty energies are coming together and fusing with each other. There will be a lot of like clash, and that clash is something that you should be expecting. Okay, it will be very very high power energy. So कोई आपके लाइफ में आ सकता है, somebody can enter your life, or maybe there's a possibility that somebody can show certain changes in their behavior and can be radical shifts that you never expected this person to have, and that is going to be very very triggering for you. So prepare yourself for that as well. Okay, anything else that we can see? What else can we expect? What else? There will be a lot of happiness during this portal. I do believe that under all of this energy, under all of the ups and downs, all of that, there will be a base energy of contentment. There will be a base energy of feeling satisfied, satiated, and feeling like wherever I am going, it's in the right direction, it's in the right pursuit, and there is not going to be any disappointments, there is not going to be any guilt, any regret. So point is that although this 8-8 portal is looking pretty power packed, its result is the same. Its result is harmony and peace. Just a second. Yes, so as I was saying, that there's not going to be any kind of a disappointment that you'll feel. No place where you'll feel like, okay, I have to mull over something about. There's also an energy where you will feel a sense of that there will be a place where initially when you used to feel upset about certain things in life, you will not feel that numbness anymore. You'll not feel that emotional disconnect anymore. पहले जिस चीज़ों पे आपको बुरा फील होता था या you used to feel affected about, you will no longer feel affected about it anymore, right? That is what is majorly coming in. Anything else? Let's see. Ooh. So again, like whatever was a wounded energy, like I'm getting a heartbreak and then a heart. So पहले कुछ चीज़ जो wounded हुई थी वो heal भी हो रही है. Like if there was any wounded energy or if there was any kind of a heartache, it's being taken care of. I think if say suppose some person has broken your heart, somebody is coming to take care of it as well. If say suppose there has been a heartbreaking news that you've gotten, you're able to heal out of it as well. Say suppose you've gotten a bad news about your career or something of that sort, so you're able to find some kind of an alternative. So whatever used to make you feel upset about is no longer having the same kind of a effect on you. It's not having the same kind of an energy in your life, and you're feeling very like you're feeling complete with it. Like आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार ये चीज़ heal हो गई है मेरे लाइफ में. I don't think that I need to mull over it any longer. I don't think I need to be in that sadness any longer. Okay, anything else? डेफिनेटली इन द 8-8 पोर्टल सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि अपनी आंखें खुली रखो. बी वेरी अवेयर. द फर्स्ट मैसेज दैट आई टोल्ड यू व्हिच इज टू कीप योर आईज ओपन एज टू हु इज ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्रेस व्हाट टू यू, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ डेफिनेशन आर पीपल हैविंग ऑफ यू. जस्ट कीप योर आईज ओपन. ऑल्सो कीप योर आईज ओपन अबाउट योर ओन सेल्फ. क्लैरिटी इन हु यू आर, क्लैरिटी इन हाउ यू थिंक, क्लैरिटी इन हाउ यू आर बिहेविंग, क्लैरिटी इन द प्रेजेंट ऑफ द मोमेंट, हैविंग द प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड. आई थिंक इसके ऊपर ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा. आई डोंट सी लाइक यू taking a lot of time for your practical things or your career or your examinations or of that sorts, as much as I'm seeing a lifestyle change. Yeah, career will be important, yes, love life will be important, but what is more important is the idea of being able to find clarity in the moment. अगर आप उस moment पे जो भी moment है वो वहाँ पे अगर आप clarity नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो, if you're not able to find an answer for the situation that you're in, there's no point, right? So what is important here is that how you're able to genuinely see things without any blindfold on, without any biases. जैसे हम कुछ चीज़ देखते हैं लेकिन हम कुछ नज़रअंदाज भी कर देते हैं, हम देखी को अनदेखी कर देते हैं. We turn a blind eye towards something. That is what you need to avoid. Maybe in this month, during this time period, 8-8 portal, you have to be very observant. As I told you in the first message, that you have to be able to have a lot of eyes on things. क्या चल रहा है मेरे आसपास? What is going on? Where is my like thought going? Where are my eyes darting towards? That is very very important, because there are going to be a lot of answers that you're going to get through. आपकी नजरों से आंसर्स मिलेंगे आपको. Nobody is going to tell you anything from your ear. You are going to notice it. So also an advice is that don't believe people until you have already seen it happening in front of you. Don't come into anybody's words. Don't believe in anybody's words until you are 100% sure कि भाई ये मैंने आंखों से देखा है, that yes, this situation happened because I saw it through my own eyes. So until unless that doesn't happen, please don't believe any Tom, Dick and Harry that comes into your life. Okay? Any last messages that I need to know? Let's check from here. Okay? Any last messages that I need to know? So definitely this is a time period जहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा कि certain things are going wrong, certain things are going right, and universe is going to check, are you able to stand for it? Are you able to take the right call, like right, stand for the right cause. That is very, very important. The energy of justice is very strong in this month, okay, in this time period. Definitely certain past choices can resurface as well. Remember, I told you that you're not getting heartbroken about something that used to be upsetting for you. The reason for that is because there will be certain past choices that will resurface. There will be certain past energies that will resurface. Maybe a past relationship that can resurface. But this time, the choice that you'll make, the decision that you'll take, the observation that you'll have will be able to make you heal out of it. So it's not that you're randomly healing from that energy. It's because the past is repeating itself and you're proving to be very smart and articulate during that time. And that is why you're able to see the kind of results that you're expecting in life. Okay? Some kind of a karmic relationship is also upcoming in your life. I do believe that there is an energy of love, affection, depth, and there is a karmic energy here. So something that holds a lot of importance. Or maybe if you're already in a relationship, there will be a feeling of there is some kind of a connection that we have. Maybe a past life connection, maybe a soulmate connection, maybe a twin flame connection. You will feel that. You will feel that internally within you that there is some kind of a heightened energies in your love life as well for people who are genuinely in that kind of a zone. Okay, who are genuinely in that kind of a zone. Definitely accountability is required during this time period. देखो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि 88 portal is coming in and only good things are happening. There are also punishments that you're getting, and the sooner you're able to accept your mistakes, the sooner you're able to take accountability for the things that didn't work or worked for you, the easier this time period will be for you. So take ownership. Don't run away from your choices. Don't run away from the reality of the situation, because 88 portal ऐसा portal है जो खोल देता है चीजें. It really exposes everything. In order for things to get boosted, it will need everything in front of you to be exposed. So be ready to take accountability or take ownership for the things that you didn't do or you did. Okay. डेफिनेटली देयर आर सर्टन क्लोजर्स दैट आर कमिंग टू यू. क्लोजर इज अप्रोचिंग. देखो कुछ चीज़ों में ना आपको आंसर्स मिलेंगे. दिस टाइम पीरियड 88 पोर्टल इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ लॉट ऑफ क्लोजिंग ऑफ चैप्टर्स एज वेल. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस टाइम, बिकॉज देर हैव बिन फीलिंग और देर हैव बिन मोमेंट्स इन विच यू फील लाइक इसका आंसर नहीं मिला, इसका आंसर नहीं मिला, ये क्यों हुआ, एंड यू विल फाइनली गेट आंसर्स टू थिंग्स दैट यू डिड नॉट नो 12 months बैक, 13 months बैक, 14 months बैक, 1, 2, 3 years बैक, एंड दैट is going to be very cathartic to you. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि this is so cathartic for me, because it's not like you know were not living without that closure. You were able to live, but now you're able to know the reality of the situation, whether it is a relationship, whether it is a career thing, whatever it is. The closure is about you were not wrong. Definitely it's about people also, people who you were interacting with. Also somewhere I feel like there will be closure about something that you feel guilty about, कि कुछ ना कुछ आपने ऐसा चीज़ करा होगा जो शायद आपको guilty feel करा रहा है. Maybe you didn't stand up for something, or maybe you again were judging somebody for the wrong reason. Maybe you misunderstood something. Maybe you fought with a friend because of some kind of a misunderstanding. तो ये जो fighting हुई थी, there is a closure that is coming in. So there is some kind of an external perception that is coming to you, that is telling you that you are getting the closure. Whatever the closure is, whatever the answer is, the closure is coming to you. Agar misunderstanding bhi hui hai, there is going to be a closure that is coming to you, right? So what else is happening? Lastly, what can you expect during this time period? 88 portal, what else is happening? Definitely in this time period, जो भी चीज़ें आपको लगता था that is making you feel embarrassed of, that is giving you a sense of sadness, that is giving you a feeling of shame, that shameful energy will go away, because you're showing strength during this time period. जहाँ पे भी आपको vulnerable feel हो रहा है, you're showing strength in that time period. You're feeling like whatever choices that you've made in the past, it's not affecting you anymore, because you're having reasons for why you made those choices. So there's no shame, there's no embarrassment. Whatever you are doing, you're doing it from your heart. आपकी जो approach है वो एकदम pure है. And कहीं ना कहीं अगर moments ऐसे आए हैं जहाँ पे आपको लगा है कि यार ठीक है, maybe I could have done this better, done that better, आप उसको डंकी की चोट पे accept कर रहे हो. You're accepting that thing in your heart, and you're saying कि ठीक है, I accept this, I'll make sure that I don't make this take the step forward. I acknowledge my problems, I reflect on it, I ensure that I don't do it again. Simple. ये जो एक चेंज है, ये ऐसे ही चेंज आता है. चेंज सिर्फ एक्नॉलेजमेंट से नहीं आता है, चेंज सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक्सेप्टेंस से नहीं आता है. चेंज एक एक्टिव प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, रिजॉल्विंग एंड इंश्योरिंग दैट दिस डजंट गेट रिपीटेड, वैसी वाली एनर्जी से आता है, राइट? सो इट इज नॉट लाइक यू आर सपोज टू ओनली लुक एट द पॉजिटिव्स ऑफ लाइफ. 88 portal is not only about the positives. It's not only about saying positive affirmations and doing meditation. It's also about looking at the things that are deep within you, that embarrass you, that make you feel exposed, that make you feel ashamed of certain things that you've done. And वो जो एक feeling है वो आप निकाल पाओगे अपने body से. You will be able to vent out to some people. You'll be able to express yourself. You'll be able to be mindful about your actions. You'll be able to learn from your mistakes. That is so important, right? So again, it's not a very big on a spiritual level कि spiritual ऐसे हो रहा है. It's just the basic things of life that are coming to you, are either coming to you in a very deep manner, or there are certain changes that are coming in. There are certain up level levelings that are coming in, there are certain lessons that are coming in, right? So yeah, pile number one, this is what it is for you. I hope I was able I was able to help you. And definitely let me know if this made sense. If this is something that you want to claim, definitely claim. It's a very good and positive time for you. And let me know what you want to watch next. And definitely like, save, share this video if you want to. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hype this video as many times as you can. And if you want to book a personal session, you can always do so. All the information is in the description box below. And yeah, we'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye. All right, pile number two, if you've opted for this crystal, which is the Angelite crystal, this is going to be your tarot reading. We're going to be seeing what is it that you can expect during this 8-8 portal that is coming to you, Lionsgate portal that is happening around you, and what is being expected here, what big changes are coming in, and what is the information that you need to know. We're going to be checking with my tarot cards. So let's see what is the information, what do you need to know, and if there is anything that is important, I will be able to get the answer, okay? So let's see. Okay, some of you are genuinely trying to get things into balance. During the 8-8 portal, I think the most important thing is to be able to find harmony in your life and balance in your life. I think बहुत ज़्यादा importance आप दे रहे हो with regards to pouring good things in your life. Like, you are trying to maintain a balance of positivity in your life. You're trying to ensure that whatever you're doing in your life has to come from a place of sincerity, has to come from a place of contentment. मुझे नहीं कोई कहीं पे भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप कोई भी ऐसा situation, ऐसा decision ले रहे हो, you're doing anything that is coming out of pure negativity, you're not doing anything that is coming from pure hatred towards anybody. You're genuinely only focusing on yourself कि भाई अब मुझे अपना देखना है, बाकी लोग जाए भाड़ में, right? So the energy is that you are actually simply pouring water in your own garden. You're simply pouring water at the place that you want to flourish, right? Even when it comes to your personal life, your family, your friends, your career, everything is to do with yourself. It's not at all doing things just for the sake of somebody else or doing things out of spite for anybody. आपको ना फर्क पड़ता है, ना आप इसके बारे में सोच रहे हो, ना आपके पास टाइम है. Honestly speaking, you don't have time to think about other people. There is no energy of trying to one up anybody or trying to prove anything to anybody. You're simply just having a sense of harmony in your life. ठीक है? That's the first thing. Second thing is, मुझे लग रहा है कि some of you are genuinely trying your level best to work very hard for the kind of life that you want. Like, in this time period 8-8 portal, I sincerely feel like some of you will get the results of the kind of effort that you're putting in. बहुत effort कर रहे हो, like time की effort कर रहे हो. Like, maybe I'm getting an energy of like working very very hard since like 3-4 years, 5 years since COVID, that you've been doing something actively. You have been dreaming about something actively. एक sense of lifestyle आपको चाहिए, which you are getting during this portal. Now I see some of your careers getting very 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 on track, very much on track. Some of you, if say suppose want to get like a good, बोलते ना, एक good appreciation from your father, you're getting a good appreciation from your father. If you're expecting good appreciation from your elders, you're getting good appreciation. जहाँ पे भी आपको लगता था कि you're not getting appreciated, or you're feeling like nobody is valuing you, in this time period, in this time period of 8-8 portal, you will feel that value. You will feel like people are genuinely concerned about you. You will genuinely feel like people value you. People are excited to see you. People are excited to talk to you. क्योंकि आपकी मेहनत रंग लाएगी. Basically, your efforts will get fruitified. Now, what is more important here is that you are also being slightly selfish, which is good. In this 8-8 portal now, as I told you, you're only watering your own garden, and that is why flowers are coming in. That's why flowers are literally coming in. क्योंकि आपने realize कर दिया है that the more you focus on yourself, the easier it is for you to get what you want. And it's not even about not focusing on other people. It's like you want to fix your life first, then you are going to look at other people. That's what it is, right? कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लग रहा है there are a lot of things that you're managing also around you. You're managing your own career, you're managing your studies, you're managing your love life, you're managing your parents' health, you're managing your household, you're managing finances. Like, there are a lot of like different managements that you're doing. And in 8-8 portal now, you will feel like everything is being done in such a perfect such a perfect motion that you will genuinely feel very proud of yourself. Some of you can actually buy yourself flowers as well. If you do that, definitely do that. Buying yourself flowers, really investing in your own self, buying new clothes, grooming yourselves, very very important. Some of you are genuinely taking yourself out to a trip as well, which is very much recommended. Kahin na kahin, some of you are getting a little fat also because you're eating a lot, so there's a little bit of a like getting like chubbier, which is good, which is very very important. Some of you are also having a strong position in terms of your own eyes. जिस तरह से आप अपने आप को देख रहे हो उसका जो position है, it's very commanding, it's very authoritative. You are genuinely feeling like, you know what, now I'm able to be wise, I'm able to be intelligent, I'm able to have knowledge that is beyond my age, that is beyond my understanding, that is beyond what is expected out of me. आप genuinely mature हो रहे हो, आप maturity के direction में जा रहे हो, right? And it is very it's a very bright energy. It's giving me brightness. It's giving me like a sun energy, right? This is an energy which is genuinely very connected to Sirius and, physical sun and spiritual sun, which is the idea of like things coming into a very strong starts for you, things coming into a level where you're getting recognition, you're getting leadership, you're getting authority, very like number one energy. Okay. Some of you are actually genuinely giving a lot of importance towards your future. Some of you are being very future oriented. With this combination that I have, like all of you are planning 3 years down the line, 5 years down the line, 6 years down the line. And it's very much like a short success. Like it's very much like a thing where I know this is the plan and you're having that belief, you are having that faith, you are having that conviction. आपके पास वो conviction है कि हाँ जो भी direction में मैं जा रही हूँ वो correct ही रहेगा. तो you are not afraid of what if this doesn't go right, what if this doesn't go right. You are like यार मैं handle कर लूँगा. There's nothing that is waiting for me, right? There's nothing that is not there for me. If the things don't work out, I'll find a way around it, right? That the idea of being able to find resolution, being resolution oriented person is very very strong. Some of you are also feeling a connection with your ancestors that are not alive anymore, like deceased ancestors deceased होते हैं, but ancestors के साथ बहुत connection. Like I'm seeing an energy of heaven here, heaven वाली energy है. So deceased grandparents or deceased family members, there's a deep connection here. During 8/8 portal now, I also feel like some of you can get a dream about your ancestors. You can get some kind of a some kind of a dream or some kind of an image, or you'll feel like they're talking to you. That kind of an energy is also coming to me very strongly. Okay, so that is what you can expect during this time period. Let's see more. Let's see what else can you expect during this time. So like pile number 2, you are feeling very very in control. That is what I can see. I can see control, I can see positivity, I can see feeling successful and taking good steps towards enjoying that successes, taking good steps into realizing that sometimes you need to reel back in and just be able to see the hard work that you've put in. And it's not a month hard work, it is years ka hard work rang la raha hai for sure. Okay, let's see what else is there. Okay, celebration. See, I told you, you're definitely celebration. There's a celebration of the challenges that you've dealt with, the kind of whether it is challenges literally or mindset oriented, figuratively or metaphorically or emotionally or mentally or physiologically, whatever challenge that is coming to you, it is coming from a place of whatever challenge has come to you, it has come from a place of teaching you something and you have learned it in a very beautiful manner and now you're celebrating it. Celebration की energy है. मुझे लगता है ना, there has been a constant like a waves, okay, कि things come into your life, almost make you feel complete, but then वो चले जाता है. It's like a tidal wave, right? कि you're almost there, but कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है, आप खींच जाते हो. Almost you're gonna get 100% success, but कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है, and you're not able to get that success. This time during this 8/8 portal, आपको full and final वो success मिल रहा है. It's not like an energy which is only 99% or 99.9%. वो 100% की जो आप wait कर रहे हो ना, you're actually waiting for that 100%. That is what you have been waiting for, and that 100% waiting is going to come in this time period. ये जो 8/8 portal का जो time period है आपका, let's check the timeline actually. What is the timeline for this 8/8 portal? So today is what, 6th of August. So time period 2 months. Okay, 2 months. 2 months. So 2 months tak ye energy definitely it will exist, right? So whatever challenges that you were dealing with, you are feeling that now I have conquered it and I bloody well deserve to celebrate it. I actually deserve to be able to rejoice during this time period because just तरह से मैंने वो challenge deal करा है, it has been not that easy. That is what is coming to me very strongly. Anything else? What else? सीधे energies हैं आपके. I'm not getting any more information. It's a very direct energies for you. Some of you are feeling very creative. Okay, 2-3 things I'm going to tell you. I feel like some of you are going to get ideas through your dreams. Okay, creative ideas through your dreams, especially artists. If you're artistic in nature, artistic temperament, आपका release हो रहा है through dreams. Okay, so be very mindful of your dreams. अगर आपके dreams बहुत vivid हैं, please take that into consideration because it is a telltale sign that there is some kind of a creative impulse that is coming to you. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is, if you're thinking about a creative business, start away. 88 portal में अपनी creative business को आप उसका तथास्तु कर सकते हो, आप उसका एक वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हो. देर आर ऑल्सो प्लेसेज वेयर इफ यू से सपोज वांटिंग टू कोलैबोरेट विद अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन, यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. कोलैबोरेटिव एनर्जी, being able to kind of do an exchange of like creative ideas, skill development is very much recommended. I think in this time period you will feel very creatively charged. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको सीखनी है, जो आपको करनी है, and you will think outside the box. You will have very unique ideas. You will feel a sense of like you'll feel a sense of freedom the way you are thinking creatively. जो भी है creatively हो गया, या from a unique thinking level, out of the box thinking, जो भी आप कर रहे हो, doors are being opened for you. I feel like the more you are unabashed, the more you are able to be the more you are unabashed and the more you are out of the box. जितने आप थोड़े crazy हो, unique हो, थोड़े से बोलते हैं ना खिसके हुए हो, उतना आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. Like this is an energy where the more audacity you have, the more the more jobs also will open for you, the more opportunities will open for you, the more great jumps that you'll see in life. जो आपको jump चाहिए ना, जो आपको चाहिए कि भाई ऐसा कुछ situation हो life में जहाँ पे मेरी किस्मत बदल जाए, मेरी किस्मत चमक जाए. This is what it is, right? Number 7 energy is this, right? Number 7 is a very lucky number, right? Number 7 होता ही एक number है जो luck का number होता है. So if you see number 7 a lot, if you see 777 a lot or 77 a lot, that's a telltale sign that this is supposed to be coming in your life, right? So somebody also is going to give you a lot of mentorship in terms of your creative essence. अगर आपको कहीं stuck हो रहा है, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि यार creative block है, artistic block है, and when I say creative artistic block, I don't mean that you have to be like having pen and paper in your hand and drawing something. It could literally be if you're working in a corporate 9 to 5 and you are feeling like, you know what, I need some exciting project and I need somebody to give me some kind of mentorship. You can literally get that mentorship very well, very well. वो mentorship, वो ideas, वो thoughts, like lots of thoughts, lot of skill development. Like I see butterflies and birds and books and stars, like that kind of an energy जहाँ पे आप constantly आप सोचे जा रहे हो. So that is the kind of vibe I'm getting. Okay, so that is what it is. Let's see what else. Some of you are also planning to go to planning to travel. I think that's very much recommended. अगर आप travel कर रहे हो, इन आपके लिए भी recommended है कि you should definitely go for it. Okay, anything else? Let's see. Travel is definitely recommended. Air travel, तो definitely you should travel. Okay. Ooh, wow, so nice, yeah. So okay, so some of you now are hidden beauties. Some of you are beautiful but you hide it. Some of your artwork is beautiful but you hide it. Some of your thoughts are beautiful but you hide it. Some of your वही ना, तो आपने जो एक्सपीरियंस करा अपने लाइफ में, आपके पास इतना कुछ था बोलने के लिए, आपके पास इतना कुछ था एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, बट वो हाइड होता गया. इट जस्ट गेट हिडन. यू आर गेटिंग क्रेडिट फॉर द थिंग्स दैट यू डिजर्व, थिंग्स दैट यू हैव डन इन लाइफ, दैट यू हैव अचीव्ड इन लाइफ. It's finally coming in the forefront. Things that were hidden from people's eyes, it's finally coming in the forefront. It's finally coming to people to see it, right? I definitely feel like there are places जहाँ पे कुछ जो situations थी जहाँ पे people couldn't acknowledge or understand your thought process. Now they're understanding कि आपके दिमाग में चल क्या रहा था, आप क्यों ऐसे सोच रहे थे, आपका माइंडसेट क्या था, आप किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे थे, आप किस स्वभाव से बातें कर रहे थे, वो समझ में आने लग जाएगा. पहले में भी लोगों को सर के ऊपर से जाता था. Now your understanding, your mind is being rejoiced by people. Now people are celebrating your talent basically. So hidden talents अगर आप में थे, वो भी they are also getting recognized. So if you are having hidden talents, if you're having some hidden skill sets, or if you are that kind of a person who is just like a wallflower, who is just away in the corner, not mingling a lot, you are getting that kind of a recognition. People are looking at you. People are like, oh, okay, this person is also there. This person is also there. That and there's something beautiful about being a hidden beauty, right? There's something so beautiful about not wanting that attention. I feel like even when it comes to love life, some people will come to you and be like, yeah, you're actually really really good looking, ऐसे maybe you are not a person who dresses yourself up too much. अगर आप ड्रेस अप भी करते हो, खुद के लिए करते हो यार, मतलब आप खुद के लिए इन्वेस्ट करोगे. It's like that kind of a feeling I'm getting कि जो have you seen that show अगली बेटी? आई एम नॉट कॉलिंग यू अगली, आई एम सेइंग दैट वो जो शो था अगली बेटी, उसमें वो पहले बहुत ही नॉर्मल सी लड़की थी, बट देन शी डज अ रिवैम्प एंड शी डज मेकअप एंड शी जस्ट कंप्लीटली जैसी कोई नहीं वाला शो में. आई एम गेटिंग दैट एनर्जी फ्रॉम यू गाइस कि ये 88 पोर्टल में ना आपको ऐसा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होने वाला है. यू आर गोना लुक ब्यूटीफुल, यू आर गोना फील ब्यूटीफुल, यू आर गोना टॉक ब्यूटीफुल, यू आर गोना बी ब्रेनली ब्यूटीफुल, यू आर गोना बी लुकिंग ब्यूटीफुल, कि पीपल विल जस्ट लाइक लुक एट यू एंड बी लाइक, ओ ये कहाँ थी तब तक, ये कहाँ था तब तक. ब्यूटीफुल कैन बी फॉर मेन ऑल्सो, मेन कैन बी ऑल्सो बी ब्यूटीफुल. तो तुम कहाँ थे भाई, कहाँ थे तुम इतना टाइम से. सो एक पर्सन जो अगेन लाइक दैट इज एन एनर्जी दैट इज कमिंग टू यू ऑल्सो ना. आप पहले अपने आप को एक कॉर्नर में धकेल देते थे. यू वुड नॉट टेक अप स्पेस एंड नाउ यू टेकिंग अप स्पेस. 88 पोर्टल इज एक्चुअली टेलिंग यू कि नाउ टेक अप स्पेस. यू आर हैविंग टैलेंट. मे बी आप बहुत ही मीडियोकर थे एक टाइम पे. मे बी आप ऐसे पर्सन थे जिसके पास कुछ था नहीं टू बी to be an extraordinary person, but you worked on it. आपने genuinely work hard करा. Say suppose some people had problems with their linguistics, some people had problems with their proficiency, they had problems with their language, some people had a problem with stammering, some people had problems with anxiety. You freaking overcame it, bro, and you overcame it in a way where now people are actually being respectful towards you. People are actually recognizing you. People are actually feeling like, अरे ये कहाँ था, ये कहाँ थी. And that is something that is so important to deal with as well, because sometimes you do need that validation. Sometimes you just need somebody to tell you that you are doing the right thing and you're going the right manner. Yes, sometimes you don't need that kind of a constant reaffirmation. You don't need to depend upon external source of stimuli, but at times it's okay, na? All right, let's see what else is happening. What else is coming to you? Let's see. So very nice energies, guys. Ooh, you're getting a lot of rest during this time period. I think that is also important. मुझे लगता है कि इतना ज़्यादा hecticness आपने देखा है. You're seeing so much of up and down energy since so long, since years I've told you already, that now I think rest is the most important thing that you can get. Not only rest when it comes to like physical rest, but the rest of feeling like now you've achieved it. Like the relief, that kind of the feeling of, you don't need to prove anything to anybody. You have arrived. You have gotten the results of hard work. You have gotten your due credit. You've gotten the, like, support is around you. Don't worry. You are having, just open your heart towards things and you will get it. You'll receive it. And that, then there is a very specific reason why you're getting that rest. You're getting that good piece of sleep or that piece of rest is because in the heart of the heart, you've never done anybody wrong. आपने कभी किसी के साथ बुरा नहीं करा. Remember I told you in the start कि you have always focused on watering your garden. You have only focused on ensuring that you are doing the right thing. So the reason why you're getting such a good night's sleep is because at the end that is very important कि भाई मुझे एक ढंग की नींद मिले. You don't want to be awake at night and thinking, okay, maybe I did somebody wrong, or maybe there was something that I could have done better. That feeling is not there, and that is so important. That's so crucial. I can also see marks on this person's body, right? And that is what it is. Like, this person has actually had so many ups and downs, but when you allow the wounds to just be, and when you just take rest, that is when the wounds heal. Healing तब होती है जब अपने बॉडी को रेस्ट करते हो. Say suppose अगर आपको कहीं चोट लग गई, कहीं गिर गए, तो what does the doctor say? Doctor says that don't exert this hand anymore, don't exert this leg anymore, just give it time to let it heal. That is what the advice is. Like, I feel like in the moment, whenever there is some kind of a problem, now you don't have to be overreactive about it. Now you don't have to be very clenching about it. आपको over expand करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I've got a very beautiful card of 3-2-1 here. 3-2-1 is so beautiful. It's so interesting because when you over expand ना, जब आप कुछ भी चीज़ को बहुत ही ज़्यादा खींच देते हो, तो अंदर ना गैप्स हो जाते हैं. तो the ability to just come and retrieve is very important. The ability to just take a step back. When to take a step back is very important. We always talk about, okay, 88 पोर्टल में expand करना है, accelerate करना है, push करना है, आगे बढ़ना है. But समझदारी उसी की होती है जो correct time पे reel back करे. When is the right time for you to take a step back and be like, no, I don't want to, push myself more. I'm expending myself. I don't think that I have the caliber to push even harder. That is the energy of rest. That is the energy ki when are you needing to tell yourself that I need a break. And that is why sometimes the most productive thing that you can do is to not do anything. The best action is no action. The reason for that is because when you overexpand yourself, when you push too much, there are certain cracks and crevices that are very easily seen, and that will actually lead to more damage. आप जब weak होते हो तो आप जितना अपने आप को ओवर एक्सपैंड करोगे तो वो वीकनेस और बढ़ती जाएगी. द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन डू इज टू कर्ब योरसेल्फ, कीप योरसेल्फ एट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ distance from whatever you're going through, and tell yourself that, what, I'll do this next time. That is also very important. Kabhi, in any given situations, whether it is relations, whether it is fitness, whether it is career, we think that nahi, hame push karna hai, we have to stay disciplined, we have to stay consistent, just have to show up. Sometimes taking a break is showing up. Sometimes being productive is not doing anything. It's just taking one day at a time, right? And that realization has not been easy, क्योंकि आपने अपने लाइफ में देखा है ना कि कितना मुश्किल है, to be able to dream about certain things for such a long time, and what it actually means to skip one day. It's almost like, okay, you're going back into where it was before. So it's not been easy. You've not been able to take a rest at all. मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपने एक दिन का रेस्ट लिया है. So I think this is a reminder for you to treat yourself like a human, treat your body like a temple, and allow yourself to take a little bit of a breather. Okay, that is very, very important. Let's see more from here. What else is happening? What else can you expect? What else can you expect during this time period? What else is happening? Ooh, let go of the past. It is time to envision a new story. Wow. I think now it's done. आपका जो भी मेरे को दोनों की piles में past energies काफी. So I do believe that pile number 2 also, people, I think whatever you went through, whatever dynamic you had in the past, whatever is happening, it's time to kind of bury the hatchet. It's time to now rebuild a new story. Say suppose आपने अभी आपने अचीव कर भी लिया सक्सेस, 88 पोर्टल के टाइम पे आपने अचीव कर भी लिया सक्सेस. New challenges, be open to new energies, be open to new circumstances, be open to death card. Yes, be open to new things in life, right? It only goes to show that life is an ever so evolving chain of actions, and it just goes on in loops and loops and loops. What happens is that when a person is physically no longer in the world anymore, what happens? This person maybe gets buried, or maybe gets turned into ashes, and then that whatever जो भी बचा कुचा जो चीज होता है, it gets engulfed by the earth. It is eaten by some bacteria, and it goes down into the ground, and it becomes a part with the earth, and then new life is formed on the earth, and then new life is born, and then that grows into something, and then that cycle continues. And that is how you should look at life as well. One challenge comes in, you do best, you do worst, whatever it is getting done and dusted. Next time, next chapter, next story to envision, new chapter of life to come in. So मुझे लगता है कि 88 पोर्टल में ना एक new chapter of life भी आने वाला है. Things that you had to kind of accept or enjoy or rejoice or unfortunately detach yourself from is now done. अब हो गया है. चाहे वो गुड न्यूज़ हो, चाहे वो बैड न्यूज़ हो, चाहे वो एक अच्छा एंड पे नोट पे एंड हो, या चाहे बुरे नोट पे एंड हो, खत्म हो गया है. तो दिस कैन बी अ रिलीफ ऑल्सो कि यार ठीक है, चलो खत्म तो हुआ. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स थी मेरी लाइफ में, वट एवर आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू, वट एवर अप एंड डाउन एनर्जी आई वॉज हैविंग, इट्स गेटिंग डन एंड डस्टेड. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो लेट गो ऑफ द पास्ट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज नाउ देर इज नो नीड टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट पास्ट. देर इज नो स्पेस ऑफ दैट पास्ट. अभी न्यू सिचुएशंस आर कमिंग इन, न्यू चैलेंजेस आर कमिंग इन. सम ऑफ यू आर हैविंग अ rebirth during this time period. एक rebirth हो रहा है. 88 portal is actually shedding a lot of skin from within, and it is actually making a lot of changes. And that is why these changes, to be able to come into your life, it is imperative for you to be able to let go of the past, right? Very important here. This is so crucial. The energy of spirituality is very strong. 88 portal mein na, you have to be able to allow yourself to grow spiritually. Like, it's very important. जो भी आप भगवान में मानते हो, जो भी देवता में मांगते हो, प्लीज डू अ जेन्युइन साधना. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि आपको ये जो सक्सेस मिल रही है ना, उनकी वजह से ही मिल रही है. आई डोंट वांट टू से दैट only they are the reason for it. Of course, you worked hard, तो आपका तो है ही, but the power that you've gotten is because of them. So because of them or her or he, whoever it is. So I definitely feel like you have to get back into your meditation practices. You are not in touch with your spirituality से बहुत ज़्यादा दूर भाग गए हो. Then another thing that I'm feeling here is 88 portal now will make you proud of the culture that you come from. It will make you proud of the traditions that you come from. It will make you proud of your lineage, your heritage. You will feel rejoiced. You will feel very proud of it. So you can go back to your hometown as well during this time, or you can expect yourself to feel very connected to your ancestral home, ancestral property. Remember, I talked about ancestors also in the middle. कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ancestral energy दिख रही है मुझे very strongly. The idea of ancestral healing is coming very strongly, and just the questioning of the fact that who you are ultimately, what makes you, what are the lessons, what are the values that you're inculcating in life, what is it that your ancestors had in life that now you are like that, right? So now when a person is able to see good things coming into their life, now what is important is now they can philosophize life. Now they can think about the deeper things of life, and I think you should do that. I think you should definitely allow yourself to think about the bigger things in life. आपको सोचना चाहिए कि आप कहाँ से आते हो, क्यों आते हो, क्या आपकी ऐसी स्टोरी थी. आपको अपने फैमिली के बारे में जानने की जरूरत है, आपको अपनी लीनियज के बारे में जानने की जरूरत है. You need to know about your heritage. You need to know about who was what, and you need to know about your family dynamics. You need to know about your family tree. It's very important for you to see that, right? Some of you are also having talks of marriage. Marriage talks are happening. Is there anything concrete coming in? Let me check. Yes, something not concrete, but some movement is happening in that direction. Where it is heading, is it heading towards an ultimate की मतलब एक ही पर्सन आएगा और शादी हो जाएगी? नॉट रियली, बट देर इज अ सॉलिड मूवमेंट इन टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैरिज. मैरिज प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम पीरियड. ओके, वेदर इट हैपन्स और नॉट, दैट इज नॉट देयर, बट concretely marriage prospects are coming in. Anything else that I can expect during this time period? Actually, take out card from here also. Anything else? Lion's Gate portal and lion energy. What the hell was that? Whoa. very strong. Pile number 2, you are really rejoicing during this time. It's a beautiful energy of being able to be loud and bold. Time to be able to tell people that you've arrived. Time to tell people that listen, इस जंगल का शेर मैं हूँ, इस जंगल की शेरनी मैं हूँ. Right? Very beautiful card. It's the energy to act. It's the energy of to be able to be honest with your approach, to be able to daharofy, to be able to roar. You what is that song by Katy Perry? Roar, the song Roar. You got the eye of the tiger, and that is the energy that you should be building in. Some of you should be wearing tiger's eye as well. Okay. Also, there is great happiness that is coming in. Harp energy, beautiful energies. Great happiness, positivity. कुछ बोलना ही नहीं इसमें, मुझे क्या बोलना है. So very nice energy. There's nothing that is wrong that I can see here. Just lessons that you're learning and you're able to get the good of it, right? Anything else? Oh, sweetness, beautiful. So some kind of sweetness is happening. Some kind of sweet victories. Some kind of strength. Remember, strength card. Fun fact: strength card has also a lion in it. So I've gotten strength with lion. Strength with lion. So it only goes to show that the Lionsgate portal is actually blessing you people a lot. Pile number 2 people की चांदी है भाई, आपको बहुत bless हो रही है. Not pile number 1 की नहीं हो रही है, pile number 1 की भी हो रही है, but pile number 2 की तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो रही है. You're getting sweet messages, you're getting great happinesses, you're feeling like a muse, you're feeling like you're no longer a wallflower, you're not feeling a feeling of detachment from anything. You're able to let go of the past, you're able to accept new chapters, you're able to be creative. It's just support is around you. What else can you expect? There is something that is so and I think that is what you deserve. I think this is something that you deserve. काफी टाइम से आपको नहीं मिला है. So we shouldn't be saying कि oh my god that's so nice things happening. Something कुछ तो गड़बड़ होनी चाहिए ना. इतना अच्छा अगर चीज़ हो रही है तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ होनी चाहिए. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है होना, right? It's not necessary for you to always be in that kind of a negative zone, right? So beautiful energies. Don't worry. It's looking good only for you. Okay. Let's see what else. What else do you need to know? What is the information? Recognition comes. Recognition is coming in. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था, recognition आ रही है. Silence is intentional. जहाँ पे भी आप silent हो रहे हो, intentionally आप effort कर रहे हो, like effort नहीं, intentionally आप silent हो रहे हो. देखो कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि the most that you can say during a certain period of time is to say nothing. As I told you, जहाँ पे भी अगर आप फालतू बेफालतू बोलते हो ना, तो you get foot in the mouth. So this is the time period of not making those mistakes, not making those stupid, decisions, right? आपको अगर recognition मिल रही है तो अच्छे से लपेटो, एंजॉय करो. ज़्यादा मुंह मत खोलो और ज़्यादा डोंट ओवर एक्सपैंड योरसेल्फ. एज आई टोल्ड यू, ज़्यादा मत करो, डोंट पुश इट टू मच. ओके. सो रिकग्निशन इज डेफिनेटली कमिंग इन. आई टोल्ड यू, आर गेटिंग रिवॉर्डेड, यू आर गेटिंग अकॉलिडेटेड फॉर थिंग्स दैट यू वांटेड. करियर में एडवेंचर आपको आ रहा है, एंड एडवेंचर अवेट्स. डेफिनेटली एक न्यू एडवेंचर इज कमिंग इन फॉर श्योर. करियर में अचीवमेंट्स आपको मिल रहे हैं. आई ऑल्सो गॉट द फूल कार्ड. सो सम काइंड ऑफ adventurous trip you might be doing, or some kind of an adventure is definitely coming to you, which is exciting you, which is giving you a feeling कि यार my zest in life is coming back, which is giving you a feeling कि ठीक है चलो भाई अब मैं genuinely now I'm enjoying life, which is very beautiful. Okay, so that is what is happening. कुछ गड़बड़ लग रही है आपको? कहीं पे भी गड़बड़ नहीं लग रही है, right? Healing continues. So it's like everything is going in the direction that you want. If you have been waiting for some kind of an answer, it's working for you. अगर आपको कुछ difficulty हो रही है, it's working for you. कहीं पे भी कोई भी problems अगर आ रही हैं तो it's actually working for you. So it's like life is an oyster. Like for you, the world is an oyster, and you can pick anything that you want, and you can enjoy it. So there's no kind of inhibition here. मुझे कोई inhibition energy नहीं दिख रही है, मुझे कोई difficult energy नहीं दिख रही है. Any energy that is telling you like a negative energy, you're discarding it in your life, right? So it's very good. मेरे को तो लगता है कि you will feel tired. इतने अच्छी चीज़ें हो रही हैं, you'll be like और कितना, you'll be like बोलते हैं ना कि being the curse of good things. It's like that you're being cursed with the blessings of life, right? But no, it's not a curse at all. It's something that you deserve for sure. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसे सिचुएशन जब आती है ना, तो आपको जितना हो सके उसको चेरिश करना चाहिए. जितना हो सके you should be able to enjoy it, because it is actually not always that everything is going to go bad. Sometimes you just look back at life and be like, yeah, I'm happy now, and I think that is what is happening. कभी कभी होता है ना कि you feel like यार अच्छी चीज़ें चल रही हैं यार, एंड आई शुड बी हैप्पी. कभी कभी क्या होता है, लोग ना जब एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं अच्छी चीज़ें तो वो डर जाते हैं. दे लाइक ओ माय गॉड, मैं ज़्यादा हंसी हूँ, मैंने ज़्यादा हंसी मजाक करा है, बाद में तो रोना पड़ेगा. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि व्हेन यू लाफ अ लॉट, व्हेन यू enjoy a lot, you're like यार ज़्यादा हंसना मत, नहीं तो बाद में रोना पड़ेगा. You're already preparing for something that is gonna be bad, right? So point is that to be able to be in the present, to be able to enjoy the present moment, जहाँ पे भी आप हो, एक बहुत ही अच्छी enjoyment में, energy में रहो. Some announcement is coming to you during this 8-8 portal. मुझे लगता है कि some kind of an announcement, some kind of an information. What is this announcement? जरा बताना मुझे. What is this announcement? What is this announcement that is coming to you? Tell me, please. Okay. Okay, now I understand. The announcement will be that this journey that you're treading of happiness and long lasting energy, it's not going to be liked by everybody. कोई ना कोई एक हो सकता है person who is not going to be happy with you. There is some kind of a person, a male figure, who is going to create a lot of अड़चन in your process, in your life. आपके रास्ते पे कांटे बनेंगे. So now something negative has come in. I don't think that a certain somebody in your life, a person, a man, a male figure, will be very happy seeing your successes. Honestly speaking, मुझे लगता है कि कोई एक person हो सकते हैं जो genuinely will have a very negative attitude towards you and will try to sabotage you. Is it true that whatever I'm saying, is it true? Is there an energy of sabotage here, or is there something that else that I'm not understanding? Sabotage है कि नहीं है? Ooh, sabotage hai. Somebody in your career. Somebody is okay. Somebody is copying your work. Maybe in your company, in your career, in your studies. Somebody is copying you. Somebody is ruining your notes. Somebody is bad mouthing you towards your teachers. Somebody is bad mouthing you towards your boss. Somebody is bad mouthing you towards your seniors. There is some person, a male figure in your career, in your professional life, who is not happy seeing you happy. Who is not happy seeing you successful. Who is not happy. There is some very ulterior motives and unfair advantages that this person is trying to create to be able to ensure that this person gets an upper hand. This is very scary. Guys, be very careful, क्योंकि ये एनर्जी ऐसी है ना, थोड़ी डाइसी लग रही है मुझे, क्योंकि दिस पर्सन इज एक्चुअली वेरी विशियस. ये थोड़े ऐसे हैं कि से सपोज अगर आपने कुछ क्रिएट करा तो उसको फाड़ फूड़ सकते हैं, फेंक सकते हैं. दैट काइंड ऑफ एन एनर्जी, राइट? ऑब्वियसली दिस इज एन एग्जैजरेशन, ऐसे नहीं करेंगे, बट दैट इज द टेंडेंसी दैट दिस पर्सन हैज. डिस्ट्रक्टिव टेंडेंसीज है, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. डोंट वरी, यू आर ऑन द राइट पाथ. आप अपनी तरफ से कुछ गलत नहीं कर रहे हो. मैंने आपको कहा था ना, व्हेन यू पोर वाटर ऑन योर ओन गार्डन, यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीबडी रॉन्ग. यू आर ऑन द राइट पाथ एंड डोंट वरी, द रिजल्ट ऑफ इट will come to you. आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट बिकॉज समथिंग इज हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ, somebody is not happy with you, that doesn't mean that you get affected and be like, अरे I'll go in my shell, right? Somebody is trying to make you do something against your will. This is what I was trying to tell you. कुछ ऐसा सिचुएशन आ सकती है जहाँ पे somebody can pretend to be a good friend of yours or be a good well wisher for you, but is doing something that is making you go against your will. आपके will के against कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. That's why the advice that I told you in the beginning of this reading, which is that be very, very aware of watering your own place, being able to be very aware of what you stand for, what kind of a grounded energies that you can provide for yourself. It's very crucial, क्योंकि आपको पता नहीं है आपके ऊपर वो कैसे चीज़ें बाद में पुश हो सकती हैं. रिमेंबर आई वाज टेलिंग यू कि जब भी आप अच्छी चीज़ एक्सपीरियंस कर लो, अच्छी एक्सपीरियंस अगर हो रही है तो उसको एक्सपीरियंस कर लो, क्योंकि जो नेगेटिव सिचुएशंस आएंगे ना, इट कैन जस्ट टर्न 180 डिग्री एंड यू विल बी लाइक, यार अभी तो अच्छी चीज़ आई थी मेरे लाइफ में. सो दिस इज वन सच एनर्जी वेयर यू डू समथिंग रॉन्ग एंड अ पर्सन विल जंप ऑन टू दैट एंड मेक यू completely directionless. So be very, very careful, okay? I need to get more information about this. Somebody trying to make you do something against your will. What is the information here? Somebody who used to be a friend of yours but is no longer a friend. Okay, somebody who used to be a friend of yours is no longer a friend. Somebody who was on the same stature as you. Somebody genuinely who used to consider a well-wisher is no longer a well-wisher. Somebody who felt that like there is some person who was an equal counterpart to you, but then became a competition. That is what the vibe I'm getting. That is the kind of energy that I'm getting. Okay, that is what you need to be careful of. Okay, anything else? Be very careful. Definitely increase your efforts if you want to achieve certain goals. Increase your efforts. आपको थोड़ा सा stand your ground करना पड़ेगा. Say suppose with this person only, if you're thinking कि भाई you can ignore it, you can't. You'll have to stand up for yourself. You'll have to take a step forward and you'll have to be able to stand your ground. आप इसको ignore नहीं कर सकते हो. Okay? There is definitely conversations about marriage happening. Some of you are getting roca-fied, some of you are getting engaged also. During the next 2 months, some of you are getting in a very, very deep level of commitment in terms of your relationships, in terms of your marriage situations, right? ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि marriage situations में somebody can be very, very upset with you. Like there can be, external people who can badmouth you. Like say suppose if you are having a deeper level of you're going into a deeper level of commitment, people around you can actually sabotage you. It could be family members, it could be extended family members, that they can really sabotage you. So be very, very careful, okay? Be very careful. Yeah, definitely this is an energy where you're stepping into new journey. 8-8 portal is stepping into a new territory altogether. It's a new phase of your life. It's a new journey. It's a new start. It's a new beginning. And it's oh so exciting. It's so wonderful and it's so it's coming with its own fair share of lessons and its own fair share of excellences, right? बहुत ही एक positive step आ रहा है. कहीं ना कहीं this is a step into your own potentiality also. I don't think that there is anything to be worried about. ये जो भी energies मैं बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि sabotage हो सकता है, वो तो होगा ही, there is something not everybody's going to be happy in your happiness, so you have to be able to accept it, right? You have to be able to learn, like go through the tides, go through the waves, right? So definitely यहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत ही sunrise. Remember I told you in the starting of the reading, I'm getting a sun's energy very strong. This is the sun's energy. Some of you could be Leo risings also. Point is that I'm getting an energy of strong sun very strongly, जहाँ पे you are feeling a freshness within you. You're feeling articulate. You're feeling clear in your mind. You're feeling like your creative ideas are pushing. You're feeling very controlled. You're feeling like an emperor. You're feeling very positive. So Aries energy, Martian energy, Sun's energy, the energy of Leo, all of those energies are very strong. Up, maybe it could be 1 or 9 mark Bhagyang Mulank as well. So that is what the vibe is for you, right? So ultimately that is what it is. Anything lasting thoughts? Any last thoughts that I have for you guys? Let's see here. Any goodbye messages? Let's see. Ooh, a senior observes you. So this could be a senior, huh? This person that I'm talking about, who was your friend, well wisher जो भी है, वो senior है, या senior को bad mouth करा है, and now the senior is observing you. वो senior वाला energy मैंने आपको कहा था ना कि some kind of fun senior is kind of looking at you. Maybe there's some bad mouthing that has already happened. So a senior is definitely observing you, right? You're definitely gaining followers also. Say suppose if you're in social media business and social media creative outlet में अगर आप हो तो आपको followers भी gain हो. Maybe one of your reels is getting viral or some of your content is getting viral. So that is also there, right? Be aware of this energy. Definitely be aware of this kind of a person who's coming into your life or who is trying to give you negative energy. इनके साथ ही आपको beware रहना है. बाकी rest everything is in control. Definitely don't have to worry about. Travel and tourism is happening. You're definitely traveling. You're definitely being a tourist. Travel बहुत beautiful है, and you can actually genuinely learn a lot from people around you, from the communications that you have. Some of you are also learning new languages, which is very beautiful, very good. And I think that is what it is for you guys. I think this was so insightful. Great energies for pile number 2 as well. Let me know how it felt for you. Claim this energies if you want to. Let me know what you want to watch next. And definitely like, share this video if you want to. Subscribe to my channel, hype this video as many times as you can. And if you want to book a personal session with me, you can always do so. I have all the information in the description box below, right? So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.